D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified, and I've got a treat for you guys today. All right, I want to give you a tour of this Hvac rooftop unit. All right, never before seen anywhere. Stay tuned. So here is the control section. See what's going on here. That VFD is for the compressor. 1 of 8 compressor. That's the VFD for that. Okay. Now here is the controls section. All right. Now remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because you only seen stuff like this on my channel. Don't forget it. All right, so this is another section for controls. You got your compressor contactors right here. That's 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 more compressor contactors. Bottom there. Okay. All these fans on this unit, the condensing fans, I'm gonna show you a little bit up top. They are EC blue fans. Those are the breakers for them. 16 of these fans, I believe. 16 altogether. Here's your schematic. That's the schematic, guys. It's epic. All right. Give you the tour. So we got 8 compressors. They are in tandem. Pairs of 2, so 4 circuits. Crazy. This thing is massive. Look at those exhaust fans up top there. Crazy. All right. Let's walk around. There's a toolbox. So here's the main control panel. I did a firmware update on the backnet card today. Using my RS485 and my laptop. Freaking awesome. So I'm gonna go up top. Check this out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Huh? Now remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So these are your exhaust fans. This unit does 100% outside air. So outside air goes in here. That's the hood. I'm gonna go down there and show you guys. And outside air goes in and passes through this section of this side of the unit and goes through your supply duct, goes into the space. Okay, you got heating coil over here. It's glycol coming from the boiler. All right, and then you got, this is the return side coming back from the space. Goes into the unit, and this is where your exhaust fan comes in. All right, blows back out. Okay, epic. Epic. All right, let's get inside. I'll show you inside the coils on the inside of the exhaust fans. So this is the return duct right here. Return duct, return duct, return duct, return duct, 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 echoing. All right, so the air comes back from the space here, filters, and that's a free cooling coil. So it's all chemical, no moving parts. All right, so we're exhausting. So for heat recovery, we're exhausting from the space through here. And then if you look on this side, so your supply fans, supply duct, okay. Refrigeration lines. All right. Go around. This thing is massive. This thing is massive. Just to walk around, you know, in the world of commercial HVAC. So here are your exhaust fans and supply fans, VFDs. Here we go. 4 supply fans, as you saw from the other side, and these 2 are for your exhaust fans. You can see that clearly. Exhaust fans. And you got these fans right here keep this cabinet cool in the summertime. You have another fan right here, just brings the air through this cabinet, and you got some small heaters, keeps this section here warm in the winter. So here's your intake hoods. This is where the air goes in, right? So outside air goes in here. If it's cold, it will warm it up, and if it's hot, it will cool it down before it goes downstairs. So got some dampers here. They got the filters, the filter of the air from the outside. More filters. There is your heating coil. Actually, that's not your heating coil, that's your free cooling coil. So for heat recovery. So I showed you the other side of this coil over there. It's refrigerant inside here, and it's just refrigerant migration. That's it for heat recovery between intake air from outside, or outside air, and exhaust air from the space. Over here is your heating section, or heating coil. There is your heating coil right here. Voila! This thing is massive. So I can show you how large this thing is. That's the roof. I'm 6 feet tall, and you can see what's going on in there, right? Yeah, again, remember, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Cooling section. Cooling section. Cooling coils. Supply fan intakes. Your 4 supply fans. All right. Your TXVs over there. Zoom in on that. Okay. And here's your supply fans. 4 of them stacked. All right. Now, so I'm going to show you inside of the exhaust, beneath the exhaust fans, those crazy looking thing up top, or things up top. Oh man, that's like a torpedo. Look at that. This thing is massive. Give you the whole tour. What I worked on today. So here we are. So the dampers are closed right now, but those are your exhaust fans. All right. So this is air coming from the space, and it comes in this chamber and goes back outside. Voila. All right, that's about wrap this video up. All right, remember, the video uploaded on a weekly basis.